What if I told you most business owners don't actually own a business? They have simply created a job they can't quit. And today I will show you the 3 stages every business goes through. And most businesses never reach the final one. Let's see which stage your business is in today. These are the 3 stages: infancy, baby stage; adolescence, teenage stage; maturity, mature stage. At this stage, the business and person are basically in same person.
The owner does everything. If it's a cake business, he bakes the cakes, he sells the cakes, he answers customer calls, he does everything.
The biggest characteristic of the infancy stage, the business completely depends on the owner.
In this stage, business owners have only the tech personality. What exactly is a technician? The technician is the doer. They focus only on the technical work itself.
In my previous videos, I explained the 3 personalities every founder must have: entrepreneur, manager, technician. If you haven't watched that video yet, I will place it on the end screen or look at the description. Make sure to watch it after this video because it will help this concept make much more sense. In infancy stage, if you don't go to work today, your business does not work either.
When does this stage end? Now you are receiving a lot of orders. You cannot handle all of them by yourself. Therefore, you need to multiply your efforts and expand your work.
So you hire your first employee. Now business is ready to move to the next stage. At this point, you need to pay much more attention to this. Abdication, delegation.
Abdication. You give a task to someone and completely forget about it. This can create problems in your business.
This project, I do not need updates.
Wait, but what are the specifics?
We lost the account because no one sent the files!
Delegation. You create a clear system, train the person, and let them do the work using that system. Let me tell you one more thing. I am AI/ML engineer and software engineer. I help companies to automate their business process by building automation tools. With these tools, business can save time, do more work, and increase your profits. So, if you want to grow your business, I am here to give you my full support. You can contact me by searching Kalhara Wimukthi on Google. Visit my webpage. Go to contact page and send me a message. Let me explain abdication clearly. Abdicating means giving up your responsibility completely. This happens when a business owner is too busy to manage a specific area. So they simply tell an employee,
You take care of this part.
but they don't provide any proper system, training or guidance. They just put the responsibility on the employee and walk away. So what is delegation? Delegation is different. Many people think when they hire an employee, they can give them tasks and become completely free. But that is not true. You cannot give away your responsibility completely. Delegation means bringing in the right person, giving them proper training, creating a clear process, and monitoring their work to make sure everything is done correctly. At this stage, if you make mistakes and confuse delegation with abdicating, your business can face many problems. If you give someone responsibility, but you don't give them a clear system, process, or guidance to succeed.
What happens next? As your business grows, more people join, more problems appear, more decisions need your attention. Slowly, you start feeling stressed and overwhelmed.
In the second stage, a business can fail in 2 ways.
The first way to fail a second stage business.
The business begins to feel difficult to control. And this is where many business owners make a choice. They either try to make the business small again,
The second way to fail a second stage business.
or the business continues with mistake and going bankrupt. To succeed, a business must reach the third stage. Maturity, the entrepreneur stage.
The most successful businesses act like mature businesses from day starting also. They start with a clear vision and the end goal in mind.
At the maturity stage, business owners start thinking about the future of the business.
Welcome to the third stage. Focus on the future. Understand customer emotion. Set a clear strategic purpose. Drive innovation. Create new opportunities. Now your business has proper vision. Now your business has proper management for the every processes of your business.
So what's the real goal? The real goal is to build a business that can operate successfully even when you are not there.